Every hour you spend managing a home without capturing its economic value is a transfer of wealth away from your future. You execute complex logistics, schedule optimization, and dispute resolution for free. And as the invisible demands compound, you notice your resting heart rate rising, a physical marker of managing endless unmonetized stress. Society conditions you to view domestic management as a baseline duty. It is not. It is an unpaid corporate administration role. You operate as the uncompensated chief executive of a microeconomy. You allocate capital, procure inventory, and mitigate daily operational risks. The friction occurs when these skills remain locked inside your four walls. You possess premium operational capabilities, yet lack the structural container to price them. This disparity between skill and compensation creates financial vulnerability. Your ambition is intact, but it lacks a logical delivery mechanism. Notice this pattern. Women step away from formal careers, acquire immense operational efficiency at home, and then assume their market value has dropped to zero. You do not need to acquire new baseline skills. You need to repackage the precise friction you already solve daily into a format that scales. The shift requires deploying a specific framework. We call this the domestic leverage loop. It is the structural conversion of your daily management habits into a digital asset. The domestic leverage loop does not ask you to learn code or chase trends. It requires analyzing your invisible labor through an economic lens. Think about the daily act of meal planning and grocery logistics. You analyze inventory, forecast consumption, and allocate a strict budget to maximize yield. In the corporate sector, this is supply chain management. At home, it is called making dinner. The actions are identical. Only the language changes. To utilize the domestic leverage loop, you must extract the framework from your brain. You must place it into a medium that can be transferred. The market pays for organized information. It pays to bypass frustration and confusion. You have already mapped the solutions to domestic friction. Now you must externalize those exact solutions. Consider the complex travel logistics you handle for a family with varying needs and schedules. You coordinate flights, specialized accommodations, and medical contingencies. You execute risk management for variable outcomes. Packaged as a digital protocol, this becomes an operating system for other overwhelmed families. You transition from a consumer of time to a producer of systems. This transition requires separating your physical environment from your economic production. You cannot build a business system from a chaotic kitchen counter. A dedicated planning interface is necessary to compartmentalize these tasks. Many operators use a specialized desktop time blocking board, which you can find through the link in the description. By isolating the time spent building your systems, you protect the boundaries of your family life. You treat your intellectual capital with physical respect. Have you noticed how your time disappears before noon while your mental load only increases? Share your experience. When you begin to structure these frameworks, the dynamic changes. You start seeing your daily routines as research and development. You stop feeling the panic of financial dependence. And you stop feeling your resting heart rate rising every time you think about the blank space on your resume. You realize that your resume gap was an intensive training period. You mastered crisis management, rapid resource allocation, and emotional regulation. You are taking the raw data of your daily life and formatting it for the marketplace. Small business owners pay a premium for this exact reliability. It is widely observed that the most efficient remote workers are often mothers. They do not have time for office politics. They execute and optimize. Online creators and small agencies are drowning in unorganized tasks. They lack the structural discipline that you exercise daily just to get a family out the door. You step in for 5 hours a week as a fractional operations manager. You organize their project pipelines and manage their client onboarding processes. You price this based on the value of the order you create, not an hourly wage. You retain your autonomy while delivering premium infrastructure. The market does not care if you learned these skills in a corporate boardroom or a suburban living room. The market only cares about the result. It is commonly seen that women undervalue their household management because it does not come with a job title. You must correct this perception. You must assign yourself the title of Chief Operating Officer of your own life. That is the foundational step of this economic shift. The currency of the modern internet is not attention. The true currency is organized utility. You possess utility in abundance right now. But utility without distribution is a private hobby. To distribute your utility, you must document your specific processes. Write down the precise steps of how you solve a recurring household problem. Remove the emotion. Look at it as a mechanical sequence of inputs and outputs. Once the sequence is documented, it can be transferred. If it can be transferred, it can be sold. This is the underlying physics of digital leverage. This is the shift. You stop viewing your role as keeping a house clean. You are optimizing a living environment for peak human performance. When you change the language around your daily actions, your perception of your own economic value changes. You recognize your own operational authority. There is a psychological threshold you must cross. It is the moment you decide your invisible labor has a tangible market price. For years, you have conditioned yourself to give your energy away for free. You have equated endless self-sacrifice with being a good mother. Economic independence allows you to be more present. It removes the underlying anxiety of financial vulnerability. You secure your own foundation. You build this foundation so you can support others without resentment. Resentment is often the byproduct of unacknowledged and unpaid labor. By building your domestic leverage loop, you acknowledge your own worth. You stop waiting for external validation and build a system that validates itself. Time is your primary constraint. You do not have 8 uninterrupted hours. You have scattered, unpredictable pockets of 30 minutes. A traditional job requires contiguous time blocks. This model runs on fragmented time. You build your digital assets during a nap schedule or a quiet morning. This requires rigorous prioritization. You cannot afford to engage in low-value tasks. Every action must either serve your family or build your economic system. The middle ground is where time goes to die. You must audit your media consumption. Are you consuming the end products of other people's systems? Shift from a consumer mindset to an architectural mindset. Analyze the structure of the digital economy around you. Look at the delivery mechanisms. When you purchase a digital planner online, observe the payment gateway. Notice the email sequence. You are surrounded by structural blueprints. Begin by identifying your highest competence area. What is the one task your friends always ask you to help them solve? Do they ask how you keep a complex family calendar synchronized? Do they ask how you manage meal preparation for a specific dietary need? That is your entry point. That is the raw material for your first system. You take that knowledge and strip away the personal context. You build a clean framework that anyone can apply. Then you test it. You offer the framework to a small group in exchange for honest feedback. You refine the system based on that feedback. You remove any points of friction. Once the system delivers consistent results, you attach a price tag. You have created a digital asset. This asset does not require physical inventory. It does not require a storefront. It requires only your intellectual capital. Because it is digital, it can be replicated without limit at zero marginal cost. This separates your time from your earning potential. You stop trading minutes for dollars. You start trading established systems for capital. This is how you reclaim your autonomy. The ultimate goal is a life designed on your own terms. A life where your economic output is a natural extension of your daily competence. You replace the quiet dread of irrelevance with the steady confidence of ownership. You build a shield against broad economic uncertainty. You no longer have to worry about your resting heart rate rising when unexpected expenses arrive. Your skills are real and your systems are valuable. It is time to price them accordingly. If you value building income from your time at home, comment leverage. And consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time. Legal notice. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only and does not constitute medical or financial advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.